In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Monday.com. If you're someone who spends a lot of time using this platform, switching to dark mode can greatly enhance your viewing experience, making it easier on your eyes and potentially saving a little bit of battery life on your device. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to activate dark mode on Monday.com. First things first, you'll want to open up Monday.com on your computer or device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you've got the home page or your dashboard up and running, you're ready for the next step. At the top right corner of the screen, you should see a little avatar, which is essentially your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that avatar. This action will open a drop-down menu that presents you with a variety of settings and options related to your account. In that drop-down menu, one of the options you should see is Change Theme. It might be nestled among other options, so take a moment to scan through if it isn't immediately obvious. Click on Change Theme to proceed further. This action will typically open up a new menu or display your theme options right there on the screen seamlessly. Now within the theme options, you will find the Dark Mode selection. Click on Dark, and as soon as you do, you'll notice your interface changing immediately. The bright whites and pastel shades of the platform will shift to deeper, softer tones. This transformation not only helps in reducing eye strain, especially if you're working long hours or through the late evening, but also provides a sleek, modern look to the platform. It's a simple change, but it can make a significant difference in your user experience. And there you go. You've successfully switched your Monday.com interface to dark mode. Remember, switching back is just as easy. Following these same steps, you can always toggle between light mode and dark mode to see what works best for you at any given time, depending on your environment and personal preference. One quick tip. If you're navigating through different devices, you might want to set a similar dark mode setting elsewhere to keep a consistent user experience and help ease your eyes across all screens. This straightforward process can elevate your workspace ambiance, making it both visually appealing and functional. Thank you for joining me today in these easy steps to get the most out of your Monday.com experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this. Happy working!